downside is we're still cutting down beans. Mid-10, y'all. So this morning, putting a new belt on combine. Had a belt bust last night, or start to bust. This variable speed belt up here is going apart, so we're about to change it. Looks like my camera went dead, but we got the belt on, got it all adjusted. It seems to be working correctly, so getting some fuel in the combine, and then we're gonna get to whacking beans, so I'll catch you back up y'all in the cab. We got the combiner on, folks. New belt seems to be working fine. The downside is we're still cutting down beans. So it is cut that way, drive this way. And now we drive back down. We're getting a good bit of this field knocked out. We finished the field over there with the dump truck set yesterday. We finished this today. We're in this little field. Would have got a little more stuff cut today, but last night I had that belt go out. So first thing this morning I called our local dealer, which is about 25-30 miles away. They didn't have one, so that I had them get on the deer system and look, and they found one 2 counties to the east of me. I called that dealer. They had one separator drive belt, so I had them hold it for me. I drove over there this morning. It's about an hour and a half drive over there, hour and a half back. I killed about 30 minutes there, waiting on them to find a belt. They were supposed to have it set out, but they didn't. They did find it, you know, and it was not cheap. It was, man, that belt was expensive. But I got it. It's on there. It's running. We got her on there when I got back. So I started calling stuff this morning. First thing at 7 when places opened, and I found out that just because these places are open at 7 don't mean they're taking phone calls. I didn't get gone till probably 8 o'clock this morning. I got back about 11:30, 12 almost. And then me and Dad took the old belt off, put the new one on. Then we had to readjust it. I don't know if y'all got to see all that on the video. I think the camera might have died. So we got all that done, and then we got back to cutting beans. That's running. Coming from the last pass through this field, folks. That's a good thing. We got a little bit of rain coming in, so I think I'll get done with this stuff just before everything gets wet. That's all of this field, and if you can tell by the dark sky over here, we're about to get wet, so I gotta hustle up and get this load of beans parked up in the shed. So this here will be a good spot to let y'all go for the day. Like always, appreciate y'all being along for the ride. Hope you enjoyed it, and if the good Lord is willing, we'll catch you on the flip side. Until the next.